Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the service reminder on Holden Commodore VY. This should be work for VZ as well. So what you need to do is press this up and down two arrow keys and hold it. First of all, turn off the ignition, and then hold these two arrow keys up and down, and then turn on the ignition. So it's come up as service reset. Then press and hold the set button. Oh, it's low fuel, sorry. So press and hold the set button. Service reset, no items, so it's done. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.